Hey friends, we are getting so close to the end of the month. Do you remember what month we're in right now? October! Can we sing our October song real quick? All right, ready? Spell October, spell October, spell October now with me. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, O-C-T-O-B-E-R. Very good. So we're in the month of October. Do you remember what season we're in right now? That's right, fall. Great job. And do you remember what holiday is coming up in October? Remember, holiday is a special day that only happens once a year. So do you remember what holiday is in October? Here's your hint. We get to dress up in costumes. Halloween. We have almost made it to Halloween. It's on the very last day of October. Now, do you know what day of the week it is today? It's Monday. Very good. Now, since you don't have school on the weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday, we need to make sure we look at Sunday's card too. Are you ready? Let's look at what we've had so far. We had apples, leaves, acorns, pumpkins. Apples, leaves. I wonder what will be on today's card. And then look at this. We had 4 apples, 5 leaves, 6 acorns, 7 on this, 8 on this, 9 on all of these. Are you starting to sense a pattern? Let's take a look at Sundays. We're back to acorns. How many acorns do you see? Should we count them? And remember, when we count, every acorn will get 1 number and only 1 number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on Sunday we had 10 acorns. All right, let's go ahead and look at today's. Look at this. We have acorns and a walnut. So let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 all together. 10 is all of them, or we could also call that the whole. Remember, whole means all of them. So back here, what's this tool called? Number bond. Very good. Can you say it with me? Number bond. Say it again. Number bond. We are grabbing our parts down in the bottom circles, and then we're putting them together at the top. So up at the top, we're going to put the whole, and we just said we have 10 all together. You guys remember how to make a 10? It looks like this. Now our 10 is in 2 parts. We have the acorn part and we have the walnut part. How many are in the walnut part? Just 1. So we have 1 in the walnut part. I'm even going to put walnut over here to help us remember. So we have 1 in the walnut part. So 1 of the 10 is a walnut. Now, how many of the 10 are acorns? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of them are acorns. 9 of them are in the acorn part. I'm going to write the word acorns here. So we have a walnut part, the acorn part, and then we have all of them together. So we have part, whole. Can you do that with me? Part, whole. Say it again. Part, whole. And again, part, whole. So the numbers that go down here are parts. It's sum of the number. And these parts, when they come together, it's the whole thing. Part, whole. So we have the walnut part and the acorn part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the acorn part and 1 in the walnut part. When 9 and 1 are together, we have 10. Or we can take 10 apart and it's 1 and 9. Put it together, take it apart. Put them together, take them apart. Put them together, take them apart. 1 and 9, and that's 10. All right, should we write a story for today's? So I'm going to bring you over here. Do you remember what number I write for October? I write a 10 for October. Do you remember why I write 10 for October? Because it's the 10th month of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. It's the 10th month. And then we write a 26 because we are on the 26th day of October. And then we write a 20 for 2020. Now I'm going to rewrite our number bond here. We have 10 altogether, and that 10 is broken into parts. We have a 1 part and a 9 part. Now I'm going to write a story about this. A squirrel found 1 walnut and 9 acorns. How many did he find in all? A squirrel found 1 walnut and 9 acorns. How many did he find in all? He found 1 walnut and 9 acorns. We want to know how many he found in all. So, if I want to know how many he found in all, does that sound like it's going to be addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction? If we want to know how many all together, what do you think it's going to be? Addition, because we're putting it together. Remember, addition is putting things together or getting more. Subtraction is taking it apart or taking away. Addition, subtraction. Now, do you remember who in Numberland is in charge of addition? Plus sign. It's Miss Plus Sign because she keeps her arms reached out so she can grab numbers and pull them together. So Miss Plus Sign is in charge of addition. Who's in charge of subtraction? Mean Mr. Minus is in charge of subtraction. He comes and he takes things away. So we have addition, subtraction. Miss Plus, Mr. Minus. Addition, subtraction. Miss Plus, Mr. Minus. Addition, subtraction. Miss Plus, Mr. Minus. Good job. So we're going to use addition. So we're going to use Miss Plus for this. And what are the numbers we're putting together? We need to put the walnuts and the acorns together. So we have 1 walnut, and we're using Miss Plus to put it with the 9 acorns. And when we have 1 and 9, and we put them together, how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When 1 and 9 are together, it's 10. So 1 plus 9 is the same as 10. So how many did the squirrel find in all? 10. And since he found 10, that's the answer, and we're going to put a box around it. Now, do you guys remember who that guy is? The one that looks like this? Equal. Do you remember what equal means? Equal means the same. Say it with me. Equal means the same. Say it again. Equal means the same. So this means 1 and 9 together are the same as 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Great job. All right, now, we are not collecting any cubes today because our week was over on Friday. And today we just need to see how many cubes we collected for the whole week. Okay, we're going to see how many we collected for the whole week. So first, let's find out if orange or blue won. Who do you think won? Well, we're going to find out. Okay, so let's see how many blue we collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how many orange we collected. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think is going to be more, 7 or 4? Let's see. We got more blue. More. We say more because this number is bigger. It has more. We got less orange. Can you say less? More blue, less orange. So now let's see how much more the blue is than the orange. They were the same until here. But then blue went ahead and got more. He got 1, 2, 3 more. So 7 is 3 more than 4. Let's turn it this way. Look, they were the same all the way through 4. But then blue got 1, 2, 3 more. 7 is 3 more than 4. For my first graders, let's turn this into an equation. I want to show you this. The orange had 4. And then there were 7 in the blue. So something went with 4 to make 7. Orange needs this many more to be the same as 7. How many more did orange need to be the same as 7? 3. 4 needed 3 more to be the same as 7. Very good. Okay, are you ready to find out how many we got all together? We're going to put 7 and 4 together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You know what? I want to put this into a 10 stick so that we can see this is 11 really easily. 10 and 1 more is 11. That's why 11 looks like this. It looks like, oops, I want to make sure I do neat writing here. 11 looks like a 1 and a 1. 11 looks like a 1 and a 1, but it's really 10 and 1. One group of 10 and 1 more. One group of 10 and 1 more. That's 11. I'm going to put those back in there. And let's erase this. And we are going to add to our chain links. So we need to add another one for today. I'm going to move you back so that you can see better. There's our chain links. We're going to add another chain link for today. And now you've been in school for, can we count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. You've been in school for 39 days. Do you think you know what 39 is going to look like? It looks like this. Man, that looks a lot like 3 and 9, doesn't it? But do you think it really is just 3 and 9? I hope you are saying no. It looks like a 3 and 9. But what do you think it's hiding? Do you want to see its secret? Do you think you already know its secret? This isn't really just a 3. It's really 30. 30 and 9 make 39. 30 and 9 make 39. So this looked like a 3, but it was really 30. We just couldn't see the 0. And that's because there are 3 groups of 10. 3 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3. And in these 3 groups of 10, there are 30 chain links. And over here, there are 9 chain links. And when 30 and 9 are together, we write it as 39. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's go ahead and add the number to our number line. Oh man, I have a feeling that we're gonna be saying goodbye to the 30s. Because once we get 9, I think we're gonna have to make another 10. Tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day. I can feel it. Tomorrow will be very exciting. All right, so let's revisit our number line really fast. See if you remember all these families. Do you remember who this family is? That's the ones family. Everybody say, hey, ones. Good job. Then next to the ones, all of these numbers start with a 1 because they all have 1 10. They had 1 full 10 frame and then some extras. Like this one had 1 full 10 and then 4 extra dots. This one had 1 full 10 and then 8 extra dots. Do you remember what we call the numbers that have 1 10? 1 10, that's a teen. 1 10, that's a teen. So that's our teen family. Can you say, hi, teens? I like your 110, teens. All right, let's move on along. Look at these guys. They all start with a 2 because they all have 2 10s. They filled up 2 10 frames and then had some extras. 2 full 10s and 5 extras, 2 full 10s and 7 extras, 2 full 10s and 9 extras. Do you remember what we call the numbers with 2 10s? The 20s. Say, hey, 20s. Good job. Say, I like your 2 10s. All right, let's move right along. Look at those guys. They all start with 3s because they all have 3 10s. And so like this guy, he has 3 full 10 frames and then he has 2 extra dots. This one has 3 full 10 frames, but then he has 5 more. This one has 10 frames, but then 9 more. Do you know what we call all those numbers with 3 10s? The 30s. Very good. And I think we're going to meet a whole nother family tomorrow. What do you think the next family will be? Gonna have to wait and see. You did a great job. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a great day.